And update time. Start up top. We got some cayennes. Some more cayennes. All three cayennes. Our little lemon seedlings that have been repotted. Down to some other little itty bitty lemon seedlings. With a mystery pepper. It got moved around and I forgot what it was. Cayenne or a Trinidad scorpion. Bunch of dill. It's kind of sad and tasty. More peppers, looking not bad. Some green onion from the grocery store that we just planted the bulbs on them, and we've cut them back 3 or 4 times. They're going good. Down here's my Trinidad scorpion in deep water culture one. It's got some roots. It's not too happy. It has purple leaves. It's sad. Some Caribbean red peppers. Kind of like habaneros, but a little bit different. More cayenne. More cayenne. There's a Trinidad scorpion back there. Somewhere. Here's a bok choy and 2 basil. And here's a bok choy, another bok choy. What are the roots on this guy? Like 7 inches roots already. That's a lettuce. I think that's a red leaf lettuce. It's got a little bit of red on there. Kylie's avocados that she's doing. All our bok choy with random lettuce. I don't know what it is back there. More peppers. Some cilantro and savory. And all the basil that we cut back yesterday. Still nice. Smells good. And a computer fan. And an exhaust fan. That's it for now.